can't afford to be identified as the last person seen with the girl before she disappears.
They disappear. No COD. Don't trust nobody. This shit is weird. This shit is
What are you laughing at?
No. I heard the first time on no. Thank you. I'm not deep.
You'll clear up too.
Don't. Just be quiet.
Where are you going?
To make my bed and get some sleep, if it's all right with you.
don't trust nobody. This shit is weird. This shit is real. I have to own it. At any moment.